So right now we're just gonna make some Jolly Rancher slime, but it won't have Jolly Rancher.
I'm the one that named it.
Yeah. So we've already added glue in.
Our other video failed.
Yeah. We were trying to make a live video on on Instagram, but
I failed.
yeah. We'll be making more of that though. We'll be making. Yeah.
I made goldfish crackers.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna start adding my little this stuff. You get a whole orange thing. You both get one orange.
I want orange. I want some black and some silver.
Green. Okay. Okay. We'll share.
Yeah, I want some black because I like my favorite kind of sweet eye. Wait, that wouldn't make a Jolly Rancher slime.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, purple. It would be close to purple.
Yeah. I don't have much.
I can get all the. I can get all the glue out there.
Okay. Can you get the rest of green and black?
This is silver.
No, it's green.
Black. There's like none left.
You're gonna squeeze.
Oh my god.
Please don't
This is the
copyright
one-
us.
This is the one about remember everyone. Do you watch America's Got Talent? This is the one the little girl sang.
Really?
Yeah.
She was good.
Yeah, but she didn't win. Darcy Lynn won. The Vin Killer Quest, which is actually my favorite. I'm sorry.
Please don't copyright us. Please no.
We didn't know. We don't know if this is actually copyright.
Yeah, but we just wanted some music.
Well, wouldn't they be copyrighting because they're changing? Because they're also using the song.
Should we get double copyrighted?
No, we wouldn't. We would get. Oh, yeah, we actually would. Oh, you still.
I'm trying to get every bit of orange out.
Me too. I'm gonna get every bit last of this stuff out. Oh, this is Starry Starry Night, I think.
Oh, by the way, guys, at 5:30, we'll be going live on Instagram. Please watch it if you have Instagram. Please download Instagram.
Do even if your any followers follow you, put in your name, say your name.
My Instagram account is Alexi Sarge 1418.
Remember that, write down on your hand, like she wrote her password down on her hand. Don't show it, don't show it!
It was my code for Snapchat.
You're gonna get on your Snapchat. Oh, they don't know your Snapchat name though. Oh yeah, you should keep your Snapchat private like your friends. And then make another one maybe for like,
I don't know. So,
can I use the rest of this black? Yeah.
let me have a look. Yeah, all that green, yeah, all that black is yours. We're gonna make the best slime ever.
Like, all the slime makers are gonna be like,
What? Okay, this
This
is
is a little per little.
mine. So I'm gonna mix. Should I mix?
Sure.
Should we put shaving cream in this?
Fluffy slime.
Let me go get shaving cream. So entertain the people. Or no, I can just. Okay, so switch plans. We're making butter slime.
Yeah. Jolly Rancher butter slime.
Should we make? Let's just put shaving cream in it for slime too. Fluffy butter slime. Okay, we'll be right back.
Oh, where's she going?
I don't know. So we got shaving cream. I don't think we should use this because this dries out. Do you think?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
I don't think we're gonna use that.
Yeah, I don't think we can make that.
Okay, I'm gonna mix all of my stuff together. Ooh, that's so green. You don't want green, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna add my shaving cream. Okay, I'm adding shaving cream in right now.
Look. I'm so happy I did not. Oh, dang it.
What? I feel like it's already. Oh, look how nice that looks.
Oh, it's not even colored. You put too much shaving cream.
And it's okay. It's gonna be fluffy. That's good. Some more green.
I'm putting my own shaving cream in.
I know.
I'm sorry, I cannot let you get my own shaving cream in. There's way too much.
Yours ain't gonna be fluffy.
You
Ours both made green.
Yeah, because we picked the same exact color. True. Did you want to pause it?
Yes. Guess I'm just gonna have white slime then.
Yeah, I told you not to put my shaving cream in.
No, you didn't. You never said that.
Yes, I did. Can I use a little bit?
I don't think this is actually gonna. Or is this?
I think your slime might be a fail.
I'm gonna go put some Tide in mine.
You're gonna put what?
Tide.
Yeah, I think that would help. Me and Val made some slime the other day and like, it was okay. What happened? So what we use a bunch of different glues, and then clearing and deflecting lens care system,
What?
and then we use barber soap.
Okay. So mine's actually coming together.
Oh God, Alexi.
So I'm using Tide. Yours ain't coming together.
Mine's coming. Stop. Alexi.
I was gonna put some activator in first.
What song is on?
I don't know. All time. Oh yes.
How to host a murder. Why do you have that game?
I don't know. It's for my brother. If you use Tide and this contact
What are you
solution,
doing?
from
Where's the lens gone? I need the lens stuff.
this is one right now. I'm just needing Tide.
Oh,
Mine has like not that much color, but it's good.
like mine's gray.
Yeah.
Do you have any beads?
We can get some out of the stuffed animal. But
Use a stuffed animal?
yeah, there's beads inside of the stuffed animal.
Are you gonna cut it open?
Good, you could.
Where is it? What's wrong there?
You just gotta feel it. Mine is not that stretchy.
That's my favorite song. I actually have dances. And I follow them. I don't have my Do not do anything with my song.
Time. You gotta use Tide, girl. Look how nice this time. It's not that stretchy.
Oh, dang it. I'm an idiot.
You gotta put Tide.
Can I take yours? You're already mixing yourself.
We'll see you guys when our slimes are done. Completely. Okay, so we're just working on our slime. She has mixed in some more shaving cream.
Yeah, and I think I really wanted it.
I'm just adding in some clay.
Can I make yours freaking, what's it
Side?
called? Doo-doo?
No, but your slime.
Nice. Can I make it doo-doo?
There.
Doo-doo slime. No, cookies and cake. Melvin cookies. Ah! Stupid. Oh, it's sticking real bad. What I do to make it stop sticking? Can you pour some? Your hands are the cleanest. Thank you, girl. I really do think yours might be well.
What?
Hear that?
This is good.
Mine's like a cloud. But it pulls on my skin, like see, like it does that.
And it's
and it
sticky. You
comes
need
off.
some Tide. You could use some Tide.
Your grandma gets paid job? How? Like, what do they do with their artwork?
I don't know.
Ask her. Let's go ask her.
Nah.
Let's go show her our stuff.
No, mine's not completely different.
I know, but let's show her like what we have done so far.
Not yet. Because I want to show it.
No, I mean to your grandma.
I know.
You know the song. I always get on like radio. Like if you see me listening to music, I'm probably listening to this. But that's my favorite
I
song.
think I need to add some water to the clay so it melts.
Melts.
No, it melts. And then I can add it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I got an idea.
You better know what you're fighting for.
Yeah, I got perfect song.
That I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be.
Oh, can we act like we're in the club and we make
Yeah.
slime? Like we make slime for extra money.
Yeah.
Here we go again. Like I don't wanna be more than friends.
It's okay.
Easy on me, I'm
We have a
afraid you're
paid
never satisfied.
5, 6, 7. We have 2 hours.
You can ask your mom to sing.
Again. We're sick like animals, we play pretend.
Yeah,
You're
do
just
that.
a cannibal and I'm afraid I won't get out alive.
My mom will love this slime. This is my mom's favorite color, army green.
Tonight. I want some more. What are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight.
Goodbye to my heart tonight. I'm trying to get all the leftovers tonight. I don't even know the song, but okay, I'm singing to it.
Say goodbye to my heart tonight. Here we go again. I feel the chemicals. It's getting heavy and I want to run and I run and hide.
Make it louder. It's still on. Is it on pause or it's still playing? You know that, right?
I know.
I thought you said you were gonna show it once you're done.
Okay, we'll actually see you guys when we're finished. So these are slimes!
I'm trying to.
Mine's not fully...
I'm gonna choke you with my slime.
So mine's not fully mixed in. Mine's not fully mixed in, but...
Yeah. Can I feel it? What's up? Can you smell these like? Oh yeah, yours is not trying to do better slime. Oh, we should mold stuff out of clay.
What do you mean?
Mold stuff out of clay. Make stuff. And let's go show you. Now let's go show you.
Well, subscribe and like and comment. Yeah, some questions for Q&A on Instagram.
Yes.
Yes, and do it quickly because we're about to start it in like 28 minutes. Bye. Bye.
Bye.